This particular person was tied to a pole. He was hit naked. The SP of the jurisdictional district goes to the spot and gives him a statement as that of a politician. ನಾನು ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಡೀಪಾರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ?
ಹೌದು. I have a video.
The SP has no business to talk like this. That he has powers to open a rowdy sheeter, powers extend someone, we will do it. What is the policing that he is doing?
He seems to be suggesting that if you continue these kind of things, these are the things which you will have to be facing.
This is why I have been telling daily, the state is in anarchy now. ಯಾವ rule of law ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You stripped him completely,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
police are appeasing those persons. Nowhere in the world this happens. This cannot be accepted in a democratic setup at all. We are not, sir, we are not in a, even in the worst of regimes, these things have stopped happening long ago. Interim bail.
Interim bail is, my lord, what has happened? My submission would be, my lord, on 14/6, please, my lord, the petitioner, he being an unsound mind, please, my lord, the allegation in the complaint would be that, please, my lord, he has destroyed, my lord, the lightings in the name board, please, my lord. My lord, the name board which relates to, please, my lord, B.R. Ambedkar is concerned. It is on this context, please, my lord, the crime is being registered. Now, what happens, my lord, one submission, my lord, what happens, my lord, certain persons, my lord, they were protesting. The SP of the, my lord, jurisdictional district goes to the spot and gives him, my lord, a statement as that of a politician. ನಾನು ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಡೀಪಾರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ?
ಹೌದು.
Undertaking.
I have a video. I will register, my lord, an FIR. I will open a rowdy sheeter.
Who is this SP?
I'll open a rowdy sheeter. As good of a politician, please, my lord, is making a statement and pacifying the, my lord, the persons who are protesting there is concerned. My lord, if this is the nature, please, my lord, what justice, my lord, the petitioner could get at the hands of the respondent police?
So where is
Where is the video? Kudi.
My lord, ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Kudi.
let him place it, my lord.
ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ I'll begin to watch videos here.
Let him.
I have
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. Because whatever is shot on the camera is incapable of bias, incapable of being tampered. Your SP na?
ನನಗೀಗ ಗಡೀಪಾರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ.
ಏನಿದು?
Like female.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವೀಗ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಿದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು tied that person to the rope ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದು
ನೋಡಿ, ಗೂಂಡಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬಹುದು, ಅದ್ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
Your lordship may kindly peruse it. This particular person was tied to a pole. He was hit naked.
ಯಾರು?
My lord, the persons who were, my lord, protesting. ನಾನು 54 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು SP ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಅವರು ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to the jurisdictional person is concerned. Till today, please, my lord, no action is being taken. Kindly peruse the photographs which are produced along with the petition, please.
No.
case and counter case has been registered.
Whatever it is, the SP has no business to talk like this. That he has powers to open a rowdy sheeter, powers to extend someone, we will do it.
Literally,
What is this appeasement of this kind? ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Like no, he seems to be at least. I'll speak, my lord. Subject to clarification.
Then what is the policing that he is doing?
He seems to be saying.
Alla, whatever. See, there is a squabble, case and counter case. Reason may be any manifold reasons squabble happens. Why is this man saying to the other side that ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಗೂಂಡಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಆ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾ ಈ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ?
He seems to be suggesting that if you continue these kind of things, these are the things which you will have to be facing.
No. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶುರುಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. This is the best way to tackle all these policemen. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ CCTV ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಲಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಬ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ್ಗೆ 19 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಲಟ್ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನಂಬರ್ 41
If at all, please, my lord, he has committed that particular crime, they would have handed over it to the police is concerned.
No, what is this?
That is why I made a last time.
No, what is this?
That is what we registered a case, my lord.
Against whom?
Against the person who tied. We have registered
Unknown
a case.
person.
Who is that? Who is that?
My lord, unknown persons, please, my lord.
The allegation, my lord, there.
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What is
He
this?
is literally, my lord,
ಏನು rule of
dying.
law na ಏನಿದು? What is this?
The allegation.
This is why I have been telling daily, the state is in anarchy now. ಯಾವ rule of law ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
No, my lord, we have registered a case against those people who tied him. We have registered a case.
Who is, what is happening with that
The
case?
allegation is that this man, this seems to be unsound man.
ಅಲ್ಲ, unsound man. Yeah.
Allah.
My lord,
May say
what is
something.
this?
May say something, my lord. It is not that we have done it.
Tell you stripped him completely and.
Not we.
Allah, these, whoever it is, stripped him completely and done it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
police are appeasing those persons.
No, they're not
But
appeasing.
then what is that saying that illa iವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಂಡ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ? Nowhere in the world this happens.
I'll secure the
In any
entire.
democratic setup, this does not happen.
No, I'll secure the entire report, my lord, but I don't think so. What my learned friend is saying that it is only to extent of cutting and showing what, I'll place
Allah,
the
I'm
entire
cutting
video.
One minute.
My lord,
This
ಈ
is
ಹಿಂದೆ
the
ಒಂದು-
photograph.
My lord,
That
ಈ
is-
ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿ
ಸರ್, ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ?
ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿತ್ತು my lord. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ಈ ತರ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜನನ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್
ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಗಲಾಟೆ
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಗಲಾಟೆ
ನೀವು
ಆದ್ರೆ-
ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ
ಆ
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಗಲಾಟೆ
ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ನೆ.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ? ನೀವು
ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದನ್ನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡು
I have named 50 persons, my lord.
ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್
100 persons.
ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ my lord. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 41 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ my lord. There is no
ಏನಂತ?
single word used my son is the unsound mind. ನನ್ ಮಗ ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ FIR
ಯಾರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ? ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ವೇ?
ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ my lord.
SP ಅವರೇ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
No,
Is this the way?
No, in fact, my lord, your lordship wanted to stay this proceeding. I made a submission saying that the boy has been stripped and tied to the pole. Therefore, I requested your lordship to allow us
He
to
is
continue
stripped
investigation.
naked.
Yes, my lord, yes. That is why I made a request, my lord, your lordship may recall, that is why I made a request saying that we, staying this proceeding will also stay that proceeding. Therefore, I requested allow us to into investigation. Therefore, your lordship allowed us to continue investigation. I've seen this photograph. It's not a first, last time only when my lord
Nearly 100
produced it.
persons.
Page
my lord.
number
None of
23,
them,
my
my lord. No steps
Page
have
number
been taken.
23 my lord.
ನೀವು ಜನಗಳು ಈ ಬೇಡದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇಶ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ
only the
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
complainant, my lord.
ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್
including the
ಯಾರು
complainant.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಅವರು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯಾರಿಗ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೇ ತರ
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
It is a political
Exactly.
my lord.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? It is political rivalry. And who is benefited out of this? Who is benefited out of this? ನೀವು politicians followers ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ who is benefited out of this? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೀವು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಸು, ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಯಾರು? ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಇದು. ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹಿಮ್ ನೇಕೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Even assuming that, my lord, that person has committed a crime, but this is not an act which can be justified.
ನೋ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
What I'm saying, my lord, the fact that they're stripped and tied, that cannot be justified by any means.
This cannot be accepted in a democratic setup at all. We are not, sir, we are not in a, even in the worst of regimes, these things have stopped happening long ago. Not in this country.
There is no way one can justify that act. I'm sorry, my lord, but incident has happened. But there is no way one can justify whatever reason it is.
Before
And
this
that is why, my lord, I made a submission. In fact, your lordship wanted to stay this proceeding. And I made a submission saying that this is, the serious offense is that we need to investigate that.
Lord, discharge summary, my lord, is a person of unsound mind.
Before this incident, before 2 days, my lord, they have obtained one slip and he is also
No,
a
whatever-
BA graduate, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
There is no
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ-
single word about the unsoundness
ಅದು
of mind
ಏನಾರ
in a
ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
complaint given by his father.
Sir, sound mind, unsound mind. Can this be
My lord,
accepted?
it is a pre-planned
ಅಲ್ಲ,
to
pre-planned, whatever,
a lot of people
pre-planned,
to
executed plan or whatever, investigation should go on. ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್
I have
ಮೇಲೆ
named person.
ಆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Page number,
ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತಾನೇ ಇದು.
yes,
You give the report of investigation, whatever you have done.
number 35.
As the hearing progressed, the High Court examined a deeply disturbing incident in which a person of unsound mind was allegedly stripped naked and tied to a stone wall. The court strongly condemned the incident, observing that such acts have no place in a civilized society governed by the rule of law. Although the incident allegedly arose after the individual damaged a name board associated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the bench made it clear that no allegation could justify such inhuman treatment. The court noted that the matter involved rival versions from both sides and cautioned the police against conducting a one-sided investigation. Stressing the need for fairness, the bench directed the investigating authorities to thoroughly examine the allegations and counter-allegations before arriving at any conclusion. To ensure transparency, the court directed the state to place the complete investigation records before it on the next date of hearing. The bench also recorded an undertaking that no coercive action would be taken against the petitioners, subject to their full cooperation with the ongoing investigation.